Anyone else having issues with their laundry pod?
Hi, my name is Renee, and I'm an appliance repair tech. In the video I just stitched, that person is asking, is anyone else having trouble with their laundry detergent pods dissolving? And it shows the detergent drawer open with what can only be described as laundry pod soup in the detergent compartment. Now, before we go any further, I'm going to preface this by saying no hate to that original person. If I see anyone who follows me giving that person hate for something that they didn't know, I'm going to block you. Because you can't know what you don't know, and you making fun of them for something that they didn't know says much more about your character than it does about theirs. Plus, this is a much more common occurrence than you might think, because people hear detergent and then they see the compartment that's labeled for detergent, so logically they think that's where the detergent pod goes. Unfortunately, pods are a little bit different, and those detergent compartments are usually not designed for you to put pods inside of them, with the exception of a few that have a compartment specifically labeled for pods, of course. But for the majority of washing machines, you should be putting the pod directly into the drum before your clothing. That way the pod dissolves properly without getting tangled up inside of your clothes. A lot of washing machine manuals will even specify not to put pods into the dispenser, but pods are still a relatively new product, so some of the washing machine manuals are a little outdated. That's why anytime you switch to a detergent you've never used before, you always want to read the directions on the packaging of the detergent itself. And that might not be an intuitive thing to do, because if you've been using detergent for a long time and that washing machine for a long time, it's not everybody's first instinct to check the packaging to make sure that every detergent is used the same. And the same thing goes for dishwasher detergent pods, except kind of the opposite. Same, meaning you always want to follow the directions on the packaging, but the opposite because you do want to put your dishwasher detergent pods into the detergent dispenser of your dishwasher. Because if you don't, about 85% of that pod is going to get washed away in the pre-wash cycle before you even hit the main wash. So to recap, laundry detergent pods should never go into the detergent dispenser unless otherwise specified by your washing machine's manual. And dishwasher detergent pods should always go into the detergent dispenser, unless otherwise specified by your dishwasher's manual. And of course, the overall moral of the story that nobody wants to hear is always read the packaging and always read your appliance's manuals.